everyone, I am Jaya Amandam, and for today's video, I am going to make a TOS table of specification and TQ or test questionnaire using Microsoft Word, but I don't have a Microsoft Office, so I am going to use the WPS instead. So first thing is we are going to make a TOS. As you can see, I have already prepared a TOS, and what I'm going to do right now is to demonstrate on how I make this table. First thing is here, click the insert, and then table, and then select your desired numbers of column and rows. So I need a column of 10. If you are going to add another column, you just click the add here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in order to achieve this shape, I'm going to merge the cells by 2. Merge the cells. Also this one, merge. And then I'm going to merge this also to keep these details. Just like that. Then merge. You're just going to merge to achieve your sheet or columns. Achieve your desired table or sheet. And then also I'm going to merge two columns. And then I'm just going to copy the shape of the above. To get the percentage, I am going to divide the number in the first topic. I am going to divide the number of hours. 3 divide the total number of hours, so 9. 3 divide 9 is equals to 3 multiplied by 100%, so it is equivalent to 33.33%. So they all have the same number, so let's just copy the 33%. Next, same number, 33.33%. And to get the points, but first I'm going to code the total number of points to be constructed, which is 60. So 30.33 times 60 is equivalent to 19.8, and we are going to round off to the nearest 100, which is 19.8. So 20, let's make it 20%. I mean 20 points. They have the same number, so the same approach. And then next is to make our TOS. TQ. So next is how many percent I'm going to make under the remembering. So I'm going to make a 25%. So to get the total number of items, it's 25% times 20, or the points to be constructed, is equals to number of item 5. Same process with the understanding. 25% and 5. You're just going to multiply the desired percent to the points to be constructed. It is equals to the number of item to be constructed in your TQ. So I'm just going to copy just same process to make a 50%. It's equivalent to 10 construct items. Then in the second topic, common analysis is in this order. Same process, I'm going to make 50% to make it 100. 50% times 20 is equals to 10. And in evaluating, control A, same 50% and 10. So this is how I make my TOS, table of specification. And the last topic is which is the topic 3, tools and equipment used in cleaning nails. So I'm just going to direct it to the creating the higher order thinking skills. It's creating, so it's only 100%. It's a total of 'So in the total number, I'm just going to add the 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. And to make the overall percentage is I'm going to I divide the total number, which is 15, divide 60, the total points constructed. So it times 100%, so it's equivalent to 25%. Same process, bring down 5, then 5, divide the total number, 60, and multiply to 100% is equivalent to 8.33, but I'm just going to put the 8%. And then here, in evaluating, bring down 10, control E, 10. 10 divide 60, same process, times 100 is equivalent to 13.66. So I'm going to round off, make it 13%. And then same process, 10 plus 20 is equivalent to 30 items. 30 divided by 60 is times 100% is equals to 50%. So the total of 100%. So I'm done with my TUS, and now let's proceed in making our TQ, or the test questionnaire. We are going to base our test questionnaire with our TUS rather. So I already prepared a test questionnaire, but I'm going to show you how I make it. So I'm going to just copy, Control C, to copy the heading, Control V, and then the word. This test questionnaire is going to be the prelim exam with the title, course title, nail care. So in our test 1, we're going to make it a multiple choice. Multiple choice instruction. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. 1 point each. We got some spacing. So number one question. It's based on our remembering here. So it must be easier. What is the component that makes up the nail? So making our choices, you can choose here this one tab, just click the tab, then collagen, number 1 is collagen, and then just enter. So it's automatic. Keratin, and next letter C, elastin, and the last option, melanin. The same process for number 2. So that's how we make our questions for the multiple choices. So I'm done with the multiple choices. I'm just going to copy and paste this one to transfer with the other page. Let's Control V. Okay, so that's it. And for the TOS, I have 5 remembering and 5 also understanding. From 1 to 5, it is remembering, just IC questions, and the 6 to 10 is under the understanding. Why is it important to use a nail clipper instead of biting your nails? Because it looks more professional. B, to avoid uneven edges and possible. So here in True or False, I am going to show you the shortcut and how I make these lines before the number. The shortcut. So you're going to click this one, and then click more numbering. Next is the custom list. So I'm going to customize. Click this one and then customize. You can reduce the lines or make it more longer, just to your liking, and then click OK. So there you go, the line before the number. Then you can put the question and the next. Oh, it's automatically connected, just like that. Then I'm just going to copy and paste the test question. Control C, and then Control V. So this can be found in my test question. The topic, common nail diseases and disorders. Test 2, 1 to 10. It's 50% of the topic. 1 to 10. It's remembering. And then let's proceed with the evaluating. I just made the essay question. Number 2. Is it number 2? Yes. It's test 3, number 2. Can be found here in my TQ. Test 3 essay. Based on your understanding how important it is to maintain clean and healthy nails. That is 14 points. Yeah, 10 points. And then for the topic 3, tools and equipment used in cleaning nails. It belongs to the creating. Test 3, number 3. Creating. Draw and label at least 5 tools and equipment used in cleaning nails. A total of 20 points. And I'm going to put the criteria. I'm going to insert criteria here for the criteria for judging. And then that's all. I have now my TQ and my test table of specification. If you made a mistake, just Control Z. Control Z. So I'm going to delete this one. So this is my table of specification, and this is my TQ. By the way, you can change this letter if you want. You can come here and click. You can change to erase this column. And I also added a motivational quote to my TQ. According to Confucius, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. And that's all. Thank you.